Hi y'all on this fine day. I'm Creoljun
And I'm Creoljun.
Together we are the Creoljun Contessas. Sisters share Louisiana Creole and Cajun inspired recipes that our mama taught us, prepared using the cooking style we call good lovin' from the oven.
In our family, ham is to Christmas what turkey is to Thanksgiving. We make a ham that is so sweet, tender, and delicious, everyone will be raving.
So let's get to it.
Get your ham home, you want to get it out of that cellophane, and you want to rinse it under cold water. Once you get that ham washed, and then you bring it back to your carving board or your cutting board, and you blot it dry with a paper towel. Once it's blotted dry, then you're going to start scoring it. And Creoljun is going to score it for us.
And what I'm doing is I'm just taking my knife and I'm just making probably about an inch deep cut.
And this is really good when you don't get a spiral cut ham. When it's spiral and you put your flavorings in it, because it's already separated some, those juices and that brown sugar get into the ham just because of how the ham is cut. If you buy a ham that's not spiral, then this is the way that you actually make sure that that seasoning gets past that fat layer on the top and actually soaks into that ham.
Okay, so now after I scored the ham, what we're going to do is we're going to rub it generously with some brown sugar. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. I know it looks messy, but trust me, in the end, it's going to be one delicious Christmas ham. Make sure you get the sides.
And for those of y'all who are squeamish, you can actually wear gloves, but you know, we're from the old school and this is how we were taught. And if you know how to wash your hands, then that's really all you need. Just wash your hands. This is where the love comes from anyway. You don't want to put anything between the love you give and the food. So rub it down.
Press it in.
Okay. I think, look right here. I want to put a little bit.
Look. And then on the cherries, but that's okay. The cherries going in the same pot. Get your cloves. And where I scored them at, you can poke them right there in the little.
You gonna poke them in every hole or just sporadically?
Just sporadically.
Okay, so we have some whole cloves that we'll be using, not the ground cloves. And then it makes it pretty too.
You just take it and right there, just pop it in.
And cloves, I don't know, to me cloves are like a cross between a cinnamon, a nutmeg, and allspice. It kind of gives you that triple threat flavor, so it makes it really holiday-ish, along with tasting really, really good. Mama did it maybe every 2 to 3 Christmases. She wouldn't put cloves in every ham, but she did do it every once in a while. So it may be just that, you know, cloves were something that was a special occasion every couple of years because of the expense associated with it. But now you can get about a 2-ounce bottle of cloves for maybe $5. So they're really affordable now.
Okay.
Okay.
And now that we got the cloves in, we're going to decorate it with our pineapple rings and cherries.
Okay. So you need a toothpick. A pineapple ring.
set your ham inside, but what's not shown is a rack. So right there on that rack. Okay. And you can take whatever remaining sugar that you have and just put it in there. Okay. As well as the cloves to add it with your marinade. Okay. So for the marinade, we're going to combine 1 can of cola. Right. And I know some of y'all are thinking, Coke, really? But trust me. Delicious.
This is the cherry juice?
Cherry juice. And that's the reserves from the pineapple rings. And you don't want to pour it on the ham because it's going to take away from the brown sugar that you've already patted in. So you just want to pour it on the sides. And then what? Put the top on and stick it in the oven. And we chose 325 degrees for 4 hours. 4 hours because it's a 12-pound ham and we want to give it about 20 minutes per pound.
But those instructions were also on the package. So, you know, your instructions, your cooking instructions, and the time that you cook it, the length of time is going to vary depending on whether you have a bone-in ham, whether you have a bone-out ham, whether the size of your ham, a lot of factors. So they will actually print it, how long you should cook it. Okay, so we'll put this in the oven at 325 degrees, and we will be back in about 4 hours. So we'll see y'all then.
Okay.
When done cooking, remove the ham from the oven and let it rest for 20 minutes before serving. And there y'all have it, straight from the bayou, a delectably sweet, slow-cooked ham Noel. Delicious. Tender. You can taste the pineapples, the cherries, the cloves. Perfect. Nice and juicy.
Mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun. That's good eating.
Yes, indeed. Good loving from the oven.
If y'all like this video and want to see more Creole and Cajun inspired yummies, please subscribe. Hit that notification button so y'all don't miss any future episodes. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see y'all next time.
Bye-bye.